Hey guys. You probably know Logan Paul's dog just died. Coyote took him to Conde Savage. Go follow him. That Conde Savage. This is so hard for me right now. Make sure to subscribe and like.